This is the third version of IT Pavilion in the Enterprise Odisha 2014. We are happy that Chief Minister inaugurated this IT Pavilion and expressed his happiness on the development of IT in the state. The IT SMEs have now grown to almost 80 units. When we started, we had hardly 13 units. Now it is about 80 units, employing more than 20,000 people, and our group turnover crossing about 300 crores. We want that to showcase that SMEs also can go up to national, international level, and at least we want 3 to 4 to go into national, international level with more than 100 crores turnover, at least 20 units more than 50 crores turnover, and at least 100 units more than 10 crores turnover. Our target is to give an employment to more than 50,000 people. With this new ICT policy 2014, with lot of new incentives coming in, proactive government and the policies, I am sure IT in the small and medium sector is going to do wonders. At the same time, I will also express our happiness that TCS and Infosys are almost doubling their capacities. Their new campuses are getting inaugurated this year. This is adding to the IT destination of the country. Bhubaneswar is amongst the top 5 IT destinations in the Tier 2 category and amongst the first top 10 in overall category as far as the GRM report is concerned. Bhubaneswar infrastructure also is developing very fast. This sort of Enterprise Odisha, where we have IT Pavilion, gives a glimpse to the general public what IT is doing in which sector. Now if you see these 60 companies who are represented here, start from basic health services to the other service sectors, from hotel, from education to geophysical surveys, to the data mining, to the semiconductors, and slowly moving into the chip design. So there is a great amount of opportunity in the newer avenues which a lot of our entrepreneurs are doing, and we are happy that such events come up and we are able to showcase ourselves. See, the micro scale IT entrepreneurs is a good question. Here Government of Odisha is planning to have an incubator. Inside we are helping the small tiny sector and lone entrepreneurs who want to set up their IT units. There are also incubation centers in Silicon, in the other engineering colleges. KIT also has, and I am sure most of the engineering colleges will soon have their incubation centers. So these incubation centers, XIMB is also planning to have an incubation center. Site, we are also planning to have an incubation center. So these incubation centers will give opportunity to budding entrepreneurs to, at a low cost, to experiment their project and get viability. Now we are also planning to have a tie-up with the Angel Network system, where the equity can come in, and these propositions and the products which these budding entrepreneurs are making can be can become larger companies with the help of the angel funding and bank funding. So there is a lot of scope also for these budding entrepreneurs.